Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short-form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal SeaTrade. On Jan 2nd, the Asia-Pacific Panamax freight rates were moved downward. The Asia-Pacific Supramax freight rates slightly dropped. The Capesize Pacific market was weak while Atlantic remained firm. The Pacific Handysize market was unchanged. Baltic index steady as lower rates for smaller vessels counter Capesize gains. The Baltic Exchange Dry Bulk Sea Freight Index was mostly unchanged on Tuesday after a climb in Capesize rates was countered by declines for all other vessel classes. The overall index, which factors in rates for Capesize, Panamax and Supramax shipping vessels, was down 1 point or 0.1% at 2,093, but the index ended 2023 with a 38% gain. The Capesize index was up 86 points or 2.5% at 3,484, its highest in over a week. It rose 50% last year, its best since 2017. Hapag-Lloyd researches sailing container ship. The Hamburg-based shipping company Hapag-Lloyd has launched an R&D study into the potential of wind power as a possible means of decarbonizing its fleet, the lead researchers said in an interview on Monday. Shipping causes around 2.6% of global CO2 emissions, according to the German Ministry for the Environment. If feasible, the company would aim for net zero emissions by 2045. Before we move on to the rest of the news updates, I would like to inform you that the 10th Indo-Tanker Shipping and Trade Summit is being organized on 9th of February 2024 in Mumbai, and the venue will have limited seating capacity. So we request you to reserve your seat as soon as possible. Registrations will be done on a first-come, first-served basis. Shipping companies shine as continued Red Sea attacks aid hopes for higher rates. Shares in shipping companies Maersk, Hapag-Lloyd and Frontline rise more than 3 to 4% as attacks on vessels in the Red Sea continue, lifting investors' hopes for higher freight rates. Despite recent Houthi attacks, Maersk continues to schedule Suez Canal journeys for over 30 vessels, while also placing some Red Sea routes on hold. It seems that Maersk will go on sailing through the Suez Canal, Nordnet analyst Per Hansen says, adding that investors seem to count on rates that will more than compensate the higher risk and costs. Straits unit achieves ISCC EU certification to trade sustainable biofuels ahead of entry into marine biofuels market in the first quarter of 2024. Straits Energy Resources Berhad, a Bursa Malaysia listed company, announced today that its subsidiary Tumpuan Mega Development has been awarded certification from the International Sustainability and Carbon Certification Scheme, paving the way for the company's entry into the marine biofuel trading and bunkering business in the first quarter of 2024. This milestone development comes as the maritime industry accelerates its transition to low-carbon alternative fuels such as sustainable biofuels as part of the global decarbonization agenda. According to DNB, a maritime industry advisor, global production of sustainable biofuels is expected to grow from 11 million tons of oil equivalent per year to 23 million tons of oil equivalent by 2026. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.